Alright, I just replaced the Footman loop on the TJ, and the new set came with these teeny tiny little screws. So the screws, the original screws, are 9mm, and I opted to use those instead, and they worked on the replacement Footman loop. I did put a little washer in there as well, and a little bit of blue Loctite. I decided not to use those tiny little locking washers that the set came with. I also did this, which was very helpful because I did drop one of those little washers and it fell right on the towel instead of down in my engine bay somewhere. And here's the new Footman loop. Looks much better. And that one won't break. This one is stainless steel underneath the black coating. Another project completed.